we are drawing this typical dicot embryo. These are the two cotyledons, and this is embryonal axis. These are cotyledons. This is the radical. रेडिकल और प्लिम्यूल के बारे में बहुत सारे क्वेश्चन पूछे जाते हैं. दिस इज द रूट कैप. दिस इज हाइपोकोटाइल. कॉटिलेडन के इस लेवल से ऊपर, सॉरी नीचे, हाइपोकोटाइल. एंड हेयर इट इज प्लिम्यूल. ये डायग्राम को एक दो बार हम और तरीके से भी करेंगे. दिस इज फॉर डाइकॉट. एंड हेयर this is for monogot. In case of monogot, there is a single cotyledon that is known as scutellum. ये क्वेश्चन कई बार कंपटीशन में भी पूछा जाता है. स्कूटेलम. दिस पार्ट, देयर आर टू टर्म्स. यहाँ दो टर्म दी गई हैं. वन इज दिस कोलियोपटाइल. देखिए मैं इसको ये नॉर्मल लिख रहा हूँ, सारे पी बड़ा कर दिया मैंने. एंड हेयर वी हैव कोलियो रेजा. यहाँ आर बड़ा कर दिया. तो दिस इज, ये आर इसलिए बढ़ा गया कि ये इट इज द कवरिंग ऑफ रेडिकल. एंड ये पी इसलिए बढ़ा गया दैट इट विल फॉर्म प्लिमूल. शूट अपेक्स प्लिमूल ने बनाया. And this is a little bit part here, epiblast. We are not supposed to do their detail of these diagrams. Simply you are supposed to learn them. So this is a LS of an embryo of grass. Although हमें डायग्राम के नीचे लिखना होता है, यहाँ स्पेस की वजह से मैंने ऊपर लिखा. So it should be below the diagram. Here it should be below the diagram. So these are the two diagrams. One is representing the dicot and other is representing as a grass, that is the monocot. In case of monocot and dicot, later on we are doing their differences. पहले note down this. Draw this.
सर एम्ब्रियोनल एक्सिस कौन सी है?
So these are the two embryos. One is a dicot and other is a monocot. Dicot has two parts. One is these cotyledons and another is embryonal axis. Embryonal axis has these parts: radical, hypocotyl, plumule. Draw these two diagrams. So to understand this second diagram in more detail, we will draw this another diagram. रेज योर हैंड्स अगर आपने ये ड्रॉ कर लिया है. अब देखिए ये हम एक डायग्राम कर रहे हैं मोनोकॉट की और डिटेल डायग्राम. देखिए कैसे ये डायग्राम आप रिटेन करोगे. देखिए ये this whole part here is endosperm. This whole part is endosperm, and this is scutellum. A very important part here is this layer. This layer is said to be alluron layer. Very important. लिखो alluron is related to protein. ये सीड कोट आ गया, सीड कोट. This is seed coat, and now these two structure here. These two structure here, जो हमने पिछली डायग्राम में भी ड्रॉ किया, इसको हमने कैसे ड्रॉ करना है. यहाँ देखिए ये very simple. This part here is coleorrhiza. R for rhiza and R for radical. This part is coleopatile, and this is plumule. This is the structure of a monocot seed. Try to understand what is the basic structure of a monocot and dicot. This is for monocot, and here this is for dicot, that is a bean. Here these are structure present above the cotyledon. These are known as epicotyle. Epicotyle. These are the cotyledons. So these are the basic difference between the monocot and the dicot. This diagram is the most important, where there is scutellum, endosperm, alluron layer. Note on this. corn. अब यहीं हम डिफरेंस डायग्राम के बेस पे ही कुछ डिफरेंसेस हम रिटेन करेंगे. यहाँ हम पहला लिखेंगे मोनोकॉट और यहाँ लिखेंगे डाइकॉट. तो मोनोकॉट में पहला जो पॉइंट है that is only one cotyledon present in embryo. Only one cotyledon. Only one cotyledon. Two lateral cotyledons. Two lateral cotyledons. Endosperm is mostly present and store food. Endosperm present food storage. And in this case, endosperm is mostly absent. Present and absent. Coleorrhea and coleoptile, again a very important part for competition. Coleorrhea and coleoptile present, absent. So ये बेसिक डिफरेंस है बिटवीन मोनोकॉट एंड डाइकॉट. अब हम जो सीड किया है, सीड के बारे में कुछ पॉइंट्स लिखेंगे. सीड बेसिकली इट इज अ फर्टिलाइज्ड ovule within fruit. It is the final product of sexual reproduction. It is the final product of sexual reproduction. Seed typically consists of three parts. Seed coat, embryonal axis, and cotyledon. The mature seed that we are writing in the form of points. Mature seed can be non-albuminous or albuminous? That is endosperm is completely endosperm completely consumed during embryo development. Here endosperm not completely consumed during embryonic development. PG, that is pea and groundnut. Whereas here it is maize, wheat, bajra, castor, and sunflower. देखिए once again, they are very simple words. We are not going into much detail of this. That seed is a fertilized ovule with in fruit, developed within fruit. Final, it's a final. Seed is the final product of sexual reproduction. There are three parts here. One is the seed coat, embryonal axis, and cotyledons. Try to understand क्या क्या word लिखे, बीच में ना पूछें. Mature seed is of two types. One is non-albuminous and albuminous. Non-albuminous when endosperm is completely consumed, and albuminous when not completely used. तो इसके एग्जाम्पल है पीजी और उसके एग्जाम्पल है मेज, व्हीट, बाजरा, कास्टर एंड सनफ्लावर. नोट ऑन दिस. एक एक्सेप्शन एक अलग सी है, ब्लैक पेपर. ब्लैक पेपर में देयर इज रिमेन्स ऑफ न्यू सेलस. रिमेन्स ऑफ न्यू सेलस, आई टोल्ड यू, न्यू सेलस का जो रिमेन्स है उसको कहते हैं पेरिस्पर्म. पेरी इज अराउंड, स्पर्म इज सीड. सो लेट अस मूव. ये हमने ओव्यूल किया था. इस ओव्यूल में आई हैव टोल्ड यू कि ये इंटेगुमेंट्स हैं, आउटर एंड इनर इंटेगुमेंट्स. दे फॉर्म सीड कोट, that is testa and tegmen. Whereas a micropyle remains as a small pore, in seed coat. It is meant for facilitates entry of oxygen and water into seed ड्यूरिंग जर्मिनेशन. ये भी पूछा जाता है कि कहाँ से जर्मिनेशन के दौरान वाटर और ऑक्सीजन प्रोवाइड की जाती है.
वॉइस नहीं आ रही आपकी.
This is micropyle which remains as the small pore in seed coat. This facilitates entry of oxygen and water into seed during germination. As the seed matures, seed becomes relatively dry. As the seed maturity of seed के टाइम ये seed dry हो जाती है. The general metabolic activity of the embryo slow down. Metabolic activities slow down. Metabolic activities slow down at maturity. At maturity, the embryo may enter into state of inactivity. State of inactivity. State of inactivity is said to be dormancy. State of activity is known as dormancy. If favorable conditions are available, they germinate. Favorable conditions, they germinate. Note on this. This was regarding seed. ये seed के बारे में था. It was regarding seed. I think you have done.